Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. The big day throws mild at the trips of Indian and non-resident Indian couples as they lead as much through their wedding ceremony. They replicate the courting but makes them who they might be as a couple. The collection is ready in opposition to the backdrop of India's multi-billion wedding ceremony enterprise that allows those couples to make their goals a reality. The Big Day Season 1 landed on February 14th of 2021 on Netflix, and the first run of collection incorporates 3 episodes of 37 to 45 minutes each. As a long way as Season 2 is concerned, we have precise news. An overall of 6 episodes have been filmed through 25 towns in India and different elements of the world. The collection covers 12 weddings in all, with interviews from brides, grooms, their friends and circle of relative members. Talk segments from the marriage professionals also are protected as they percentage their plan and the manner of setting the marriage together. With the primary 3 episodes launched on Valentine's Day, the subsequent 3 episodes cannot be a long way behind. Although a precise launch date has now no longer been formally introduced, yet we count on the Big Day Season 2 to launch someday in spring of 2021. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The collection takes an intimate study of all that makes up a wedding ceremony: the couple, their personalities, their trips together, the households and friends, the ceremonies, the marriage-making plan corporations that assist the marriage come together. As Aman placed is with inside the first episode, days cross with the aid of using a flash. However, what one recollects is the manner and months that lead as much as to marriage. Each of the weddings has its own flavor, and the display additionally brings to the dynamics of the households as they stroll forward the big day. The weddings that represent the primary season of the collection are certainly a kaleidoscope of cultures and values. With the episodes in Season 2, we can count on similar to we have brought to a brand new set of human beings and their households as they stroll toward every different to come to be a defined own circle of relatives unit. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.